Prospecting a new client can be a challenging task, and in order to understand how you're going to do that, you need to first understand where the client exists, and each platform have their own strategies. So this video is divided into 3 different sections. The first one, we are going to study marketplaces such as Upwork and Fiverr, and then we are going to study social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and in the last place, we are going to study some of the personal branding tips that can help you get a new client based on the specific method that whatever you want to choose from. If you're a completely new freelancer, I would highly recommend you to go towards marketplaces like Fiverr, Upwork, Guru, Freelancer, and things like that, because on these platforms, it's very easy for a new freelancer to get a new client and actually deliver the work on maybe some competitive basis. Every platform have their own pros and cons, but marketplaces is like the best starting place that you can do for yourself. Each platform is a little different. Like Upwork, it's more like client posts a job and then you have to bid, and there are a lot of other freelancers who are bidding toward the same job, and then you have to show the client that you're the best fit for the job, as well as stay competitive around the market or the client's budget. The second type of platform is Fiverr, where the client reach out to you. It's more like a shop system where you have like multiple shops and the client picks which freelancer they're going to work with, but in the other one is more like auction. So clients stand there like, hey, I have this job and who wants this? Then everyone is like, hey, I will do that for 500. I will do that for 300 and things like that. So that's the marketplaces, and each marketplaces have their own strategies. If you want to get started on Upwork, I would highly recommend you to watch this whole playlist. It's like 100 videos, but this is the liquid gold, and you will never get any better information on any other platform whatsoever. If you have watched these videos and you understand what they're trying to teach in these videos, then you're good to go. You're going to nail it in freelancing platform. Let's move to the second thing, which is leveraging social media to get new clients. It can be Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, any other thing that you can think of. But this is the second kind of method. In the first marketplaces method, the client actually needs something and you are the one who is going to deliver that thing. In the second option, you are going to create a job for yourself. So you see someone, and let's say you see me that I'm creating videos on YouTube and I don't have a video editor right now. So you can send a message to me on social media. Hey, I saw your videos. They are really great. And I think I could add these values to your videos. So would you consider working with me? And I will say, oh, that's good. Can you show me your portfolio and how much do you charge? And then the conversation can go from there. Social media works when you have to create a job for yourself. You see a gap, you see a problem, and then you try to solve it with your skill or your thing, whatever you can do for that particular client. The third system is personal branding. It can be more like ads. Personal branding mainly means that you have some sort of a portfolio. It can be on Behance or somewhere else, preferably your own website. Websites are very cheap these days. You can get a domain and host it for like $10, and you can build your own website through Wix or some other tools that you can find online. But the third one is very important. It can get you clients that would pay you $3,000 instead of $300 that you would be charging on freelance marketplaces. So that's the thing you have to understand. Marketplaces like Upwork and Fiverr, they are really good for starting point, but you eventually have to move into your own business. And you need to understand that the more money you can make, it's better for you and your business, because you can experiment with different things. You can experiment with different tools and things like that. If you're brand new to freelancing, I would highly recommend you to build a portfolio and then go towards freelance marketplaces. Once you have something going on, you have your kitchen income earned, then you can move toward these other platforms such as social media and personal branding. Or you can build your social media and personal branding side by side, and then you can also mainly just focus on these platforms. So yeah, have a good day.